The plumbers don't want you to know this secret. Pay close attention, because when you know this trick that I will show you next, you will start doing it today. Has it ever happened to all of us that the toilet is stuck and does not come down? Most people try to uncover it using the suction pump, but these are not as effective when the toilet is seriously covered, and they can also be harmful because the gums store a lot of bacteria. But don't worry, because today I will teach you an easy and quick way to uncover the toilet drain and using only a plastic bottle of soda. To start, we will take some scissors or a knife and we will cut the bottle right in this part. I would like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Nubia Caceres from Colombia. Once the bottle is cut, we put the excess part aside, since we will only use the longest part. Next, we will take a broomstick or a mop that we no longer use, and we will put the end right in the mouth of the bottle. Then we will take a screwdriver, and with the help of a screw, we will secure the mouth of the bottle. We must do this well so that it is firm, otherwise it could come out with the abrupt movements that we will make when pushing. What we did here is a homemade toilet suction, which is super effective, and soon you will see how great it works. Then we put a lot of salt in the toilet, since it will help loosen the cap. We will also add a good amount of sodium bicarbonate, since when it binds with the salt, it creates an effervescent effect that is very powerful for cleaning. And as a last ingredient, we add a couple of aromatic disinfectant caps, since this will help us minimize the bad smell that the covered toilet can cause. This method is more effective than traditional pumps, since these have a very wide mouth that does not fit well into the toilet tube. On the contrary, the bottle fits perfectly, making the compression stronger. To uncover it, first we put the mouth of the bottle into the tube of the toilet as deep as possible. Now we push hard and persistently in the way it shows you on the screen. You will notice that it will uncover little by little. It's just a matter of patience. Keep doing this until it fully uncovers. Thank you for watching.